So in this video, you're going to learn how to change the PIN for parental controls on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you've previously set up a PIN and you want to change it to something different, then what you're going to do is just navigate to settings. And once you're in settings, you're going to scroll and select parental controls. From here, choose change settings and then enter in the current PIN that you're using. Once you've entered in the current PIN that you're using, you're then going to be brought to this menu. From this menu, you're going to choose the option change PIN, and then you're going to enter in the new PIN that you're going to use. So let's just enter in at least a 4-digit PIN. Once you've entered in the 4-digit PIN, you're going to press on A for OK, enter in the PIN again, and the setup will be complete. So now that's the new PIN you'll be using whenever you want to disable parental controls, change the Wi-Fi network, or just all sorts of things that will need parental permission. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.